Hello everyone, welcome to bimodeler.com. This is common for architect and MEP, but I'm showing you with the MEP example. So tab key, how do we select it? And these are the things that we're going to do it. And you know that you can select the element by clicking, and by holding the control key, you can add by seeing the plus icon in the cursor, and you can hold the shift key and you can minus or deselect the selection element. That's how we do it. And also you may be knowing it, and by tapping you will be able to select it continuously. If it is a wall, you will be able to see them continuously. It's getting selected. But if it is a pipe or duct or cable tray that you are selecting, you'll be able to see that it goes by segment. So when you do the first tab, it will go until the end, and you will be able to see that it goes other end till the T. If you do the second time tab, it will go until the T. And if it is both side T, you can see that tap one time and tap second time, so both side T it will be selected. On the third time, it selects the entire pipe network of the same system. And if you do the tab again, it selects all the pipes which is connected within this system. And if you tab again, and you will be able to see that the pipe system is selected, and simply you can click and you will be able to see that the system related settings will be appearing. The same happens with the wall as well. Here is the important thing that you will be interested. So when you wanted to select a pipe which is till this end, you'll be able to select that segment, and you will be able to go to the end and you can tab it, and you will be able to select from this end to this end automatically. And this works with the other elements as well, wall and duct and cable tray as well. So one more time, so when you have a multiple segments and which is connected together, and I want to select till this end, from here I can go ahead and tap, and you'll be able to see that instead of holding the control key, and you will be able to find the path. It's a kind of a path you will be able to find and select in a route. So you are identifying the things. So by using the tab key, and you can select it multiple ways like these. And do subscribe and share it with your learning friends, if that it will be helpful for your friends and for us as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.